Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Dan Breer. Today we're gonna be chatting all about like the intricacies of fleet management. So I'm sitting here on the beach and I'm like, hey, why not be recording videos and thinking about fleet management instead of relaxing? Actually, no, I'm kidding. Well, I am sitting on the beach. We're sitting in Kauai right now, but I was sitting here and I was like, man, there's a lot of stuff that comes into fleet management that you got to keep in mind. And so one of the things that I wanted to bring up today and really talk about was like being aware of the GVWRs, gross vehicle weight ratings, of the vehicles you buy in fleet management. Now, whenever you're like managing your fleet, whenever you're dealing with this kind of stuff, you want to make sure that like your GVWR, your gross vehicle weight rating, if you're trying not to get a CDL vehicle, is that your trucks plus your trailers aren't overloaded. Number one, okay, that's the highest priority for safety. Number two is that you understand that CDL threshold. So if you're buying single wheel 1 ton pickups, let's say they're rated at 12,400 pounds, and then you go buy a bunch of 16,000 pound trailers, that's going to put you over the threshold. The trailers are rated at 16,000 pounds. That's going to put you over the threshold of being a CDL. So all you guys are going to have Class A CDLs to drive those 1 ton pickups. Now, what you might be able to do, as long as you don't need the weight rating in order to be safe, you can go buy a 3/4 ton pickup that's rated at 10,000 pounds, and you can buy that same 16,000 pound trailer 26,000 pounds. Then you're 26 even, okay? And now you're no longer required to have a CDL, but you're up to that 26,000 pound limit. Now, make sure you don't overload your trucks and trailers. Make sure you don't do any of that stuff. I've seen that happen all the time. I've seen guys go out and they buy 3/4 ton pickups and they load them to the freaking gills with what a F550 should have loaded on it. You know, like a 1.5 ton should have loaded on it. And then they're like, oh, it's a 3/4 ton. It doesn't require CDL. Yeah, but you actually weigh a crap ton. You weigh like 10,000 pounds over what the vehicle is rated for. Whenever you do that, you take on a ton of liability as a company, as a driver, as everything like that. So you want to make sure that you're operating vehicles that are within the legal weight limit of what they're registered to carry, and you're also within the legal weight limit of what you can carry based on per axles and size of tire and that kind of stuff. You guys got any questions on that? Hit me up, leave me a comment on it. Just some ideas to think about as you're buying stuff for fleets, you know, managing your trailer sizes, managing your truck sizes, that kind of stuff, but also making sure you're not overloaded. All right, we'll chat with you guys later. Bye.